guys. It feels like it's been a while since I did a vlog like this, stuck into the camera, so it feels a bit weird, but let's hope we get back into it as this chat going on. This month is September, which is my birthday month, so it's quite exciting. Right now I'm about to go out as we're going to a fully vegan picnic in Tel Aviv. So yeah, I'm gonna use this event and just celebrate my birthday, although it's tomorrow, so we're just gonna combine those two together. We're about to head out. We also made a vegan cake, which is turned out really cute. Look at this cute koala cake. It's made out of rice puff, peanut butter, dark chocolate, agave. Really simple cake, and I decorate it, of course, to look like a koala. So some updates from the past 2 months, August and September. I did my permanent eyeliner, which you can see right here. I think it turned out lovely. The reason I did it because I'm quite a practical person and I don't like wasting time each morning doing it. Plus, I think it turned out much more precise than I could ever do it. So yeah, I think she did it. You can see it. It's 3 days since my treatment, so it might be a bit swollen still, and yeah, I think it's saving time and it look really nice, so I'm happy. Another fun announcement that is that we're going to a trip to Greece in a few weeks, 2 weeks from now. Again, by we I mean Chen and I think it's the first time I'm actually traveling with someone else in a long time. So yeah, hopefully everything will go on fine. That's actually gonna be my real birthday celebration in Greece. So we're gonna go to a fully vegan hotel in Mykonos and then to Athens. So yes, stuff to stay tuned. Yeah, another let's say experience happened last month, which wasn't that pleasant. I found out that I have 3 kidney stones. Only one of them was the one causing an issue, and by issue I mean I don't know how to describe it, but tremendous pain that some people say that are worse than labor, which I wouldn't know because I never did it. But yeah, that day when it happened, it was a really painful, stressful day. But I believe that from every experience there is a lesson to learn, and my lesson was that I wasn't drinking enough water. For those who watch all my previous videos, you know that I can travel for long hours in the sun and sometimes not taking water with me, which is really not responsible. So if you learn something from this video, drink liquid. It's so important to the body. So those days I drink between 2 to 3 liters a day, plus I drink 1 liter of apple juice every day because it's good to shrink and dissolve the stone. So hopefully it can slide down and yeah, leave me in peace. I've been doing this for like 2 weeks now, so I feel much better. And yeah, I basically changed my whole mindfulness to water and liquids. Our body made out of so much liquids, 80% if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, it's really important for the function of the body because the liquids is actually what can wash it down. So yeah, the reason it happened, I think, is because I also ate a lot of nuts, which is not a problem if you drink liquid, but I haven't. And those nuts, considered with a lack of water, can create calcium stones, which is no fun. So yeah, as I said, everything is a lesson, and these days I drink much more and I feel much better. And I think it also influenced my skin and other department of the body because water are important to every organs in the body. Yeah, I think I got you update in everything. Well, the most important thing happened in those few months. So we're gonna head out now and I'll see you in the picnic. Bye for now. Oh, one more important thing, in case you didn't saw my other video, is that I got a cat. This is Libby, my very talkative cat, and she's gorgeous. I found her on the street. She was alone next to a garbage bin, and yeah, I took her home. And now she's a Lana little sister. And yeah, she's adorable. Look, she even got Lana eyes. Libby, you want to say hello to Lana? guys, so I'm here with Chen and we're on our way to Tel Aviv. What's the name of the park?
Ganei Yehoshua.
Ganei Yehoshua. It's a 1 hour drive. Okay guys, so we're here and now we just need to find a place because they didn't give any direction except for the name of the park, and this park is huge. We're gonna look for a tropical musical garden. Yeah, we have luck. Ooh, it's freaking huge. Here I just step on a huge mud. I also hope my lovely koala cake gonna come in good condition because of the temperature. So we really need to find it quick. The first sign we see after a 5-minute walk. Oh, it's also walk. I can clean my feet. Lovely. From the mud. Where is it? They should definitely put more sign and direction. Say the entrance is right there to the right. Ooh, they have a cool park here, all made out of wood. Kind of look like a ninja park. Just it's too hot right now. We saw a few of them earlier and we thought it's a dog, but no, it's a gecko. Hey guys, so we're here, it's right there, and I think we're some of the first to come, because you can see they're still arranging the picnic. Kind of melt from the heat, but let's hope she's still tasty. Wow, they're vegan yoga lach. So this is the vegan friendly stand, and here, let's see what they have. I see they have cakes, and they also have some vegan burger for the vegan friendly activities. And here they have a corner to adopt some dogs, which is so lovely. לילי הפכה לצלמת. לילי, we want to make some photos. לילי, בואי נעשה תמונות? Chocolate chip cookie and cinnamon roll. Try it out. Try the chocolate chip. Don't eat the paper. I like the chocolate chip. And cinnamon roll. Cinnamon roll. Ooh. I really like the chocolate chip cookie. They also have games. I see there a checker. Let's play. Look, it's Chen dream. I wanted to play Damka. Look at his happy face. Okay, I start. We'll see you at the end because it's gonna be quite long. Look at the doggies, taking a ride. Okay, so I have 2 plates, one with sweet, one with the salt, and as you can see there is much more sweets because everybody bought cakes and cookies. That's how vegan are, we like sweet, because we're sweet people. And here we have some frena, I think, and some sauce, another bread with cheese and cucumber, and a little salad, and so many cakes. This is my cake, which we fall apart because of the heat, and this is a carrot cake. Well, itadakimasu! Trying some of our cake, which completely melted. It tastes good, but the texture is not crunchy. It's like a soggy rice puff. We tried. That used to be a ball.
Need to be frozen.
Oh! I taste the banana. Smell good, the bread. Need some num num. I think it's a pepper dip. The sauce is born, but the cheese is nice. I got a pastel. Oh, I'm getting quite full. And we still have a vegan burger week. Because we are vegan friendly activists and we get a free burger. Almost. Good! Near the yoga center. Now I want to try and do balloons. Chen, I want to do balloons.
I've never known a love so steady. Even gold won't turn your tide. We flow together like an ocean. Every low and
Making the booger.
and I would have you anyway, dear. Any way your heart could bear. Even if you had to leave me.
Vegan hero. Chen is a hero, but he's a very wet hero, so it can't stick to anything.
לא, למכנס זה כן.
Okay. Glue here.
I'd always be waiting here. Even when we are apart, I will keep you in my heart. And I wouldn't change a thing, even if I were the king.
A lot of bread. Good, but I'm getting so full.
I've never known a brighter sun.
Okay. They have a brownie.
The day I see it rise, I've never thought
Wow, they cook like great.
until I saw it in
Yeah, אוזן המן. עם מטבל חלבון.
we are apart. I will keep you in my heart.
Really nice dough. And the chocolate was crunchy. Mix. כן.
יותר טוב כלום מכמעט?
Here's my cake, it was half eaten. Those one, they turned vegan, they weren't always vegan. We're inside a tropical garden. It's really nice here. So lovely. They have music maker. Oh no, somebody didn't like the music, so he take the sticks. This one on the other hand, they did left the sticks. So let's create some music. Wow, look what a beautiful spot we found. Wow, that's amazing. There is fishes in the water. Wow. See the fishy? Really beautiful. Hey guys, so time right now is 3:30 p.m. and we've been here since 11 a.m. So it's time to go. We took some cookies for the way since there was so many leftovers of cakes and cookies. As I said, people brought huge amount
It
of
was a vegan picnic of
sweets. It was a sweet vegan picnic. So yeah, we took some for Chen mom so she can try. Now we're heading home. It was really fun. I always enjoy those events when you don't need to ask anyone if it's vegan. Obviously it is. Yeah, now we're heading home. We met some cute dogs and we'll show you the photo when we get back. Bye!